Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the books that I read in October. Usually I read the well-loved classics. Most of them have been written even before I was born because I don't get enough time for reading. So I like to read the books that have already been widely judged and appreciated so that I don't waste the limited time that I have on bad books. But this time I decided to do something different and try what the current generation has been reading. So I entered the realm of BookTube to find some recommendations and I came across the Twisted series by Ana Huang. Ana Huang is New York Times best-selling author and a BookTok sensation. So I had high hopes from her and I was promised some great contemporary romance and everybody was gushing over the protagonists. So I thought I would have a good time. So I picked up the Twisted series by Ana Huang. The first book of the series is Twisted Love, and the trope here is grumpy ex-sunshine. Alex is the cold and brooding billionaire who does not believe in love, and Ava is warm and cheerful and optimistic. Ava is Alex's best friend's sister. His name is Josh, and when Josh was going away for something related to his career, he asked Alex to take care of Ava, knowing very well that he is a big womanizer, which was a very bad decision as well. Anyways, although they have very different personalities, sparks fly and Ava and Alex start developing feelings for each other. Alex and Ava both have tragic past and they are both dealing with it quite differently. Alex relives his tragic moments every night and has sworn to take revenge against the people who have murdered his family. Whereas Ava has completely blocked the memories of her trauma and does not remember anything about it. In my opinion, it is a below average book. I did not like the character of Alex Volkov. I think he is a huge red flag. I found his controlling tendencies quite problematic, and the moments when he was supposed to come across as intriguing or charming, he just came across as overbearing. So twists were kind of predictable. I don't believe that if a person is mean to everybody else and he's nice to you, it is a good thing. I think that if a person is mean to everybody else, eventually he will turn mean to you too. So I don't think this is a nice message to send young readers. So I give this book 1.5 stars. Next, I read the second book of the Twisted series, that is the Twisted Games. The main characters of this book are Bridget, who is Ava's friend and a literal princess, and Reese, who is Bridget's bodyguard. There are two tropes in this story. First is forced proximity, because Reese is Bridget's bodyguard, so they have to spend most of their time together and they start developing feelings for each other. And the second trope here is forbidden love. Bridget's brother was set for the crown, but he falls in love with a commoner, so he had to give up the crown, and now Bridget is next in line for the crown. So now she has to choose between her crown or Reese. Now this book is a lot better than its predecessor, although the bar was set very low. Characters are quite likable. Bridget is a badass, Reese is tough and really cares about Bridget, and they do make you want to root for them. I really like that the love between the characters took time to develop, because I personally don't believe in love at first sight. I think that a strong love needs time. I give this book 2.5 stars. The next book that I read is Twisted Hate by Ana Huang. That is book 3 of the Twisted series. It is an enemies to lovers romance, and it follows Jules, a fiery and independent law student, and Josh, her best friend's overconfident and cocky older brother. Josh hates Jules because she always seems to get Ava in trouble, who, by the way, if you forgot, is the lead of book 1, that is Twisted Love. And Jules hates Josh because once she overheard Josh telling Ava not to be friends with Jules, which can be understood. Can't stand each other, but one hate-fueled night changes everything and their chemistry becomes impossible to ignore. I was kind of looking forward to this book for Josh. He is studying to become a doctor and my Indian brain automatically liked him. But in this book, he made a lot of questionable choices, and I think as it happens in most of the romance works, a lot of the trouble could have been avoided if they just communicated better. I give this book 2 stars. I just couldn't get along with the core concept of this book, that is enemies with benefits. There is one more book in the Twisted series, but I will not be reading that because I couldn't find it for free and it doesn't seem like anything I would want to waste my money on. I will not recommend these books to anyone. You can read them occasionally if you are in the mood of some smut. They can be your guilty pleasure, but know that you are not getting anything out of it. It is just a lot of sex scenes sprinkled over a little bit of stories. The next book that I read is One of Ours by Willa Cather, and she won a Pulitzer Prize for this book. The story revolves around Claude, heir to a wealthy farming family who is struggling to find a meaning in his life. The story starts by portraying Claude's restlessness and his dissatisfaction with the rural life and his yearning for adventure and intellectual stimulation. He is not able to connect with anyone in his life, and to this point, Claude's character is very relatable and the author is in her element. However, I could not resonate with the second part of the novel when Claude joins the army and went to the war, and it seemed to be written by someone who has never been in a war and has never even talked to someone who has been in a war, which I know is not correct because Claude's character is based on Willa Cather's cousin who was a World War veteran. I give this book 3 stars, but first half of this book is really good. I recommend this book. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it and I hope it was useful for you. Please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to watch more videos like this, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.